I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So today I'm going through question 17, which reads as follows. Heidi wants to make some biscuits using this recipe. Heidi thinks that she has 500 grams of butter, 700 grams of flour, 250 grams of sugar. Assuming that these weights are correct, work out the greatest number of biscuits Heidi can make. You must show all your working. So I must see how many biscuits I can make from each ingredient. So for the butter, I can make 48 using all of it. For the flour, I can make 42. And for the sugar, I can make 60. And then the smallest number is 42. So I can make 42 because I don't have enough flour for more. So Heidi is wrong. She has more than 250 grams of sugar. Does this affect the greatest number of biscuits Heidi can make? No, because we already had sugar left over, and the flour was the one which we didn't have enough of, and it was the limiting value. So she needs more flour to make more biscuits. Like and subscribe for more GCSE math related stuff. Bye.